Some of you guys that's been with us for a while may be wondering why you've not heard or seen anything to do with the allotment. Basically, I think after we went on holiday last year in the summer, it was too hot and loads of things died off, and I think, well, basically Bob's just, it's not interested in him like he used to. So fast forward now, myself and Francesca started tidying up the area. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
So we started tidying up the area, getting rid of some of the bits and bobs. We've got rid of a load of pots that have gone brittle in the sun. We've got rid of 6 or 8 bags of garden waste, dead plants and things. That's been filled up with horse manure and soil. We're clearing through all this lot, and I'm going to make another one of those out of the pallets, so I can get all the soil out of the other pots and tubs and stuff, just to clean it all up. We have planted a couple of times that we got, and basil, lemon basil, some black chilies, okay, but they're not spicy. You'd think they are, and some coriander that's gone to seed. And then today, so this is a record, today's the end of April, I've planted some basil seeds, no idea what I'm doing. Bell peppers, those have gone mouldy and dried out in the packet, so I don't expect anything from that. Thai holy basil and chili seeds. Let's see what happens. Maybe nothing. We've still got some work to do in here though. Greetings. You may have noticed.
Hello.
You may have noticed that we did a video from Los Montesinos for the tapas route recently. If you look here, we'll put a link to that because it's always a great day. The next one that we know of is probably going to be in October, but that's going to be in Benihoffer. But I digress. We're going to put our money where our mouth is. We're here not on a tapas route. It is a Thursday night. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. Happy Red Day. And we're going to basically a night in Los Montesinos. So we're going to take you with us, and we'll stop talking when the wine's been flowing too much.
I've not had a wine. I've only had a small beer.
All the beer?
I've only had a beer.
Andy's had a wine.
Have you had a, was it a small beer?
No,
big.
Right, see, look, you notice he didn't
I've
say.
had a full-size beer.
Yeah. Big lad's had a big lad.
Right, come on, let's go and find somewhere for a drink.
Moving on. So watching that, non-Essex bird checks with I'm with non-Essex bird to find out where he's going to be so she can make sure she's not in the video.
Everyone's through and everyone.
Very quickly, we've come to Dos Hermanos. I don't think we're going to film this tonight, to be honest. This is probably going to end up in it.
No, because Andy's already had 2 glasses of wine. Which might be unfortunate a bit later.
And your point is? Tomorrow's a red day. Working?
It's
No.
true, we've got bank holiday tomorrow, so we're out.
Started on the red already.
Yes, red day started on the red already, and I'm already red, so what's it matter? We're in Dos Hermanos because when we did the tapas, the
croqueta.
croqueta was
Amazing.
right.
Let's have a croqueta
Nice, it
today.
was really nice. So the tapas route that we did here in Los Montesinos, mentioned it loads of times, sorry. We've had some good comments, both on the YouTube video and on Facebook. Let me think, Facebook, Instagram. And some have been from the bar stroke restaurant owners and some from the staff and everything else. And we love to promote local businesses. If you want to buy us a coffee to help pay for all this lot, there's the QR code. Oh, in the description we've got a PayPal me link. We don't usually ask for stuff. There are such a great amount of bars and restaurants here. This one was great. 2 years on the trot. And hi. Okay, so half pallets. Hello, Lily. Little girl. Yeah, baby girl. Lilo. She's buggered off. Okay, still got soil in the pots and also in the wheelbarrow, which I think has got a flat tyre. Yep, it's got a flat tyre. So what I'm going to do is, over there, I made that. I think it was last year, year before. I'm going to make another one here with the pallets that I've got. Hopefully. See if I get on. That's what I needed. Sweeping brush. Inside goes on here. And the pallet there we have plans for. So I'm no joiner, so I want to be able to get into it, so that'll do. Just need to screw it together. That's got that, it's got that. I just need to do that in now. Now I need to go and find the Hessian to go in it. Hoping it's big enough.
Saca también.
And if you see any of them,
si tiene plantitas.
I don't think they're good for what we need, so.
Una lagartija.
¿Dónde?
Ahí, debajo. Aquí. Aquí, hombre.
Wait, there's a little.
So, Helen's sent some garlics around. These were in the fridge at the bottom. We'd forgot about them. Not very. Here we go. That's it. Take that out. Now it needs to go deeper. Okay, there's one. So these are all sprouted, so okay. If this works, I'll be impressed. So, give them a bit of water. So we've now got garlics, basil, lemon basil,
Thyme and lemon.
thyme and thyme, black chilies and coriander. So all I need to do here, we've got some compost. So that's it for this bit. Catch you later. First thing Monday morning, we've got a new member of staff. Now this, I believe, is from Allotment over the road. I've seen it quite a few times. Maddie's on the on the phone to somebody. But the trouble is, it's a busy road, so you don't want to startle the bird. So today's Monday. I can't remember when we planted these, but these are the garlics. They were already shooting from out of the fridge, but they're coming up quite good. Nice. What else we got? Anything showing in here? Ooh. Basil. Ooh. Thai basil. Ooh. Bell peppers. And Thai chilies. Ho ho! Bob's on that rate good thing. I can't do massive. If I do anything, I've got to wear gloves. Look at the light. Ah, it's gone.
I'm on pro duty.
No idea what we're doing. We're about to go live once I sorted the thumbnail out. In the oven tonight, we have ribs that's going to be roasted off. We're running really late, actually,
We are running
today.
really late.
How are you doing the ribs?
I don't know yet. I'm going to put them in some sort of sticky sauce. I'm just going to cook them a little bit first so that some of the fat and the water comes out of them. Chuck that away, then add the sauce onto them. I think it might be a oyster sauce and maybe a bit of honey or a bit of sweet chilli. I don't know. We'll see when I do it. I can hear a cat as well.
Hello, Lily.
Hello, baby girl. You might notice I've got no carpet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The carpet had to go in the bin because Finn had an upset tummy on it.
Yeah, and that was like a week ago or so, 2 weeks ago, whatever it was. But he's had another upset tummy last night. In fact, it was front and back.
Everybody's going to be telling you should take him to vets. The problem is he eats crap.
Literally.
Literally.
Dog.
Eats crap. He's
As
such
in-
a dirty boy.
Other dogs poo.
Yeah.
Also tonight,
Oh, we're having all sorts tonight.
yeah,
All sorts.
typical, and we're going to go live shortly. So we bought some. We went to one Mercadona and we got the ribs reduced.
We've got everything reduced.
Yeah, so they were $6.40 a kilo instead of €8 a kilo. Great.
We like a bit of a reduction, don't we?
Yes, and this is a
That weren't reduced.
Cabeza de Lomo. They do one that says for Magra as well.
Yeah,
I've
but
seen it.
I like that better. It's got more fat in it.
Yeah, so that'll be cut up
Some
into
Magra. Yeah.
yeah. Prawns, don't know yet. Oh, you've got the.
I don't know
yeah,
what to do. I've bought some desiccated coconut to do coconut shrimp. So there might be that, or I might do them in some tempura batter because we've got that as well.
I'm thinking tempura batter.
Possibly. But remember, we are having batter on the mushrooms because I'm making patty stuffed battered mushrooms. So we're having that.
Croquettes you got from Carrefour.
I've got croquettes. I've not made the croquettes, but they are Carrefour's homemade croquettes off of the fresh meat counter, which are very nice.
As homemade as they can be, aren't they?
We're having mussels in coconut milk and garlic. I'd normally put a little bit of lime and coriander. We've got lime juice, but there's no point doing that without coriander really. Berto don't like coriander, and Maddie and Berto are coming. What else are we having?
Chicken.
Oh yeah.
Oh, saffron.
We've got some chicken thighs reduced. So I'm going to cook them.
From another
with,
Mercadona.
Yeah.
Sage
I'm going to
and-
make it up as I go along. We've got some sage leaves that were out of my dad's allotment in the freezer. So I'm going to put some sage, fry them off with some garlic, some sage, and then maybe put a little bit of stock with saffron in it to finish them off. I don't know, we'll see.
I can't do that much actually. If I do, I have to wear gloves. Some of you guys will have noticed I've got issues on my hand, which is slightly different to. I've had rashes and I've had skin issues, shall we say, since about September. Various different degrees, which has necessitated me going to the emergency doctors once, and they gave me a jab. We don't know what it is. I've been to dermatologist. I've had 2 or 3.
He's had biopsies and all sorts.
Biopsies.
Haven't
I've
you?
had everything. I've
Blood
seen
tests,
allergy
allergies,
specialists, all sorts. So no idea what's happening there. It's better than what it was. It's just the worst bit is it sometimes itches. So I'm on antihistamines and God knows what else. I've got more lotions and potions and soft mic. But it's part of getting old, isn't it? So that's chicken with sage out of the freezer. Sage leaves a
It's
Bob
got,
grill.
it's got lots of garlic in it. It's got sage in it, chopped
Oh, it's
up.
chicken thighs, yeah?
It's chicken thighs. I like chicken thighs better than chicken breast. I think chicken breast is really dry and horrible. It's got ground pepper and ground salt in it. I've just put some white wine in it, and I'm going to put a little bit of saffron in it, and then I might put a little bit of cream cheese in it, to creamy it up.
Yeah, because there is some, isn't there?
Yeah.
So Bob's doing now mushrooms, he's done some mussels, and he's done the prawns.
Me Dad always gets the horrible chubs, don't you, Dad? That nobody else wants to do.
They just
We abuse him.
I've got...
time consuming.
So this... Oh, it smells nice. It's
It
got
tastes
mushrooms in
nice.
it as well.
No, yeah, it's not got mushrooms in it yet. It will have soon.
So what do I need? Just a bit of
Just a bit of
sauce?
sauce, but it's very hot, so be careful.
Smells great. Ooh. That's nice. There's the pate stuffed mushrooms. Helen's going to make beer batter.
Beer batter flour. Yeah, beer batter, not beer batter flour. What am I talking about?
How much wine you had?
Not enough.
Hey! So the mushrooms are in batter and they're cooking. Helen's doing the croquettes that we got from Carrefour. So there's 2 different flavours. So there is the croquettes cooking
Slowly. Yeah, I don't want to burn them.
And this is what these are looking like. They smell great. So we have
Lots and lots of ribs. Lots and lots of...
no, the ribs are in a particular sauce. Helen will possibly tell us later, or we've already said. We've got prawns in batter. We've got two different types of
Dentro de champiñones.
I
croquettes.
can't tell which is which.
Well, that side and that side.
And one on the other side.
Then we've got mushrooms.
Hang on, we've got mussels
Mussels. Got mushrooms.
in batter with pate. And there you go. Food's done. Helen's done a great job. Little bit of help from Bob, none from me. Because I'm useless. Weather's getting good. New sign today. Oh, look at this. Okay, very quickly, this is gonna help a lot of you guys because I've been asked this in the past. Notice it's not just me. I've got Soft Lad here with me as well. Okay, the question I've been asked in the past is how do you go on with your flying drones in Spain? All right, this is something that I've not really flown the drone. I don't know if you've noticed, we've not done any drone footage for a while, really. Multiple reasons for that. It's either weather's not been right for it, or the underlying fact is I've not had my drone license, etc. That was then. This is now. This is how you get your drone license in Spain. Those of you that has a drone license in the UK, as I understand it, that is not valid in the EU, thanks to Brexit, the gift that keeps on giving. Now, I'm talking about the sub 250 grams, anything with a camera, or under 250 grams, this sort of thing. Okay, this is a Mavic Mini, which Bob and Helen got me to start with. And we've also got the DJI Neo, which flies off from the palm of my hand. Dead easy to do. I've literally just done it this morning. Basically, to get yourself a qualified drone pilot's license for the EU, check the description. This is really important. Proper check the description now, and there'll be a link there. The link is to an official government website in France. You might think, why? Scroll down to the bottom of that link. You'll see where you can change the language to English. Change the language to English. Register, put all your details in. So I've had to put my Spanish address in, my telephone number, etc. And you can do the course in English. Great. Do the course in English. You do the test in English. It's multiple choice. It's all online. And then if you do right, you get yourself a certificate. So I am now qualified in the A1, A3 subcategory for drones, and that'll cover me for all of Europe. Happy days. And that's it. That's it for this weekend's vlog. Weekend has probably been over. I've started editing. I don't know how long this video is. Hope you've enjoyed it. Drop us a comment. Don't forget to give us a one of them. Hype, yeah, you can do the hype thing.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Subscribe.
Yeah. So I'm going to now have to try and put all the different graphics in over the top of where we've got everything out of order. Do what you want to do, if it's going to be beneficial for you. The next set of videos that you'll see from us, we've still got quite a few coming through. Some big events that we did over the last few weeks. Everybody else has done the videos for theirs, but we didn't. Ours are coming out shortly. And keep an eye out for Thailand. Bye.
Bye.
I just realised I didn't show you the sign fitted. There we go. Way better. Just need to get rid of the crap down here now.